30 bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm QuoiaLen if you're new here, and if you're a returner, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my brows and how I get them on fleek or whatever. Do we still say fleek? Well, I just said fleek. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I do my brows. And if you're noticing that my brows are a little more tamed than they have been in my past videos, then that's because your girl caved. Your girl caved and I plucked my brows today. I just couldn't take it anymore. So I decided to pluck them. But if you want a video on how I pluck my brows and groom them and you don't have to spend your coins, then I can definitely do one of those in the future. But for today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how I fill them in and how I carve them and flick them out or whatever. So let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, first I start by brushing my brows in the way that I want them to go, which is just my natural shape. I forgot to show the product, but I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Diprbrow in the color dark brown with an angled Wet n Wild brush. I start at the tail of my brow only because it's less hair there and requires a little bit more of a finesse to get the shape of the tail the way I want it to go. And as you can see, for the front and bottom and top line of my brow, I'm just following the natural shape of my brow. And now I'm just making hair-like strokes at the front of my brow because it's a little more sparse there. Then I just move on and do the same thing on my other brow. Now this brow is my struggle brow. I'm pretty sure we all have a struggle brow, and this one's mine. But it requires a little bit more of a finesse, but I gotta work with what I got, if you know what I'm saying. And as you can see here, I'm just brushing down my brows because they're so thick that I can't get into all the spaces. So I'm brushing them down so I can go back in with the brow gel and fill in all those missing spots. And to highlight and carve under my brows, I'm going to take this LA Girl Proconceal concealer in the color Toffee. I'm just placing a generous amount on the back of my hand, and with this flat synthetic brush, I'm going to just carve out my brows. But I'm only going to use this color on the bottom part. And to blend that out, I'm going to take my Morphe M173 brush. Ooh, now that's a brow sis. But I'm just going to take the brush and blend out all that concealer. Now with this Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C13, I'm going to take that same flat synthetic brush and carve out the top part of my brow. And with that same Morphe M173 brush, I'm going to use it to blend out the top part of my concealer. Ooh, you feeling yourself? Okay. And now I'm just going to take this clear brow gel that I got from Shop Miss A. It was only $1, but I'm going to use it and set my brows.
And be sure when using this, you want to use a generous amount, but don't brush too harshly because you can't erase your brows. And y'all, this is some good brow gel. It was only $1. Like, go check it out, for real.
Well, y'all, that completes this video on my quick little eyebrow routine or whatever. It's really not that complicated. I don't do much with my brows because I have very thick brows already, and they weren't that thick in this video because I had already plucked them. That saved me $10 and I didn't have to go get them waxed or threaded. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just hit that red button down below and the little bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time that I make an upload. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at QuoiaLen, just like my YouTube channel, because when I'm not on YouTube, I'm definitely on Instagram, and you can keep up with me and connect with me there. So yeah, follow me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.